Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost Bond Glue. First, prepare your scalp by cleaning it with an alcohol-based cleanser to remove oils and residue. Make sure your skin is completely dry before moving on. It's also wise to perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin at least 24 hours beforehand to check for any sensitivities. This ensures a safe and secure application. Now let's apply the glue. Using an applicator, spread a very thin, even layer of Ghost Bond glue onto your scalp where the hair system will sit. Let this first layer dry completely clear and tacky, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Repeat this process, applying 3 to 4 thin layers in total, allowing each to dry clear before adding the next for optimal adhesion. Once all layers are tacky, it's time to attach your hair system. Carefully align and position your hair system onto the prepared area of your scalp. Gently press down firmly and evenly across the entire base for several minutes to ensure a strong bond. For the best results, and to allow the adhesive to fully cure, avoid getting your hair system wet for at least 24 hours after application. To maintain your bond, try to avoid excessive heat and moisture, which can weaken the adhesive over time. When it's time for removal, use an adhesive remover specifically formulated for Ghost Bond to gently dissolve the glue and prevent damage to your scalp or hair system. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Always follow the product instructions for safe and effective use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.